guys, Obi here from Animal Racing Customs, and once again we've got Bruce in the background. We've got our other operator Norman. We are busy on Divian Govender's Mk1 Escort, and it is progressing very nicely. We have finished most of the work on it, on the front piece, as you guys have seen in the previous videos, and it is taking shape very nicely. Still little odds and ends here fitting the GT cluster. Now, as you guys can see, Bruce is busy in the background finishing up the GT cluster in the dash, and then there's a little nitty-gritty stuff here and there, but I think we're progressing very nicely. We moved the car now to the front of the spray booth, and yeah, we are getting there, very close to paint day. So yeah, stay tuned, check this out. What's up, guys? So as you can see, the GT cluster is sorted out properly and it looks amazing, fully built into the dash, which I think it's just gonna be a little bit different, but it's gonna look amazing with all the gauges fitted and everything. So yeah, we've got Bruce behind me now tackling some of the little odds and ends on the fender wells, and we've got Norman, our other guy here, busy tackling the small edges and stuff on the inside of the doors, which were pretty bad, but we're getting there. I would say hopefully by the end of today we will put full prime on the whole vehicle, and then yeah, let's see, in the next 2 weeks or so we'll blow paint. We're very close to that stage. It's been a tedious process, but there's always small issues that delay you a little bit, but not something that's major. The engine bay, as you guys have seen, is sorted out properly now, and yeah, I think it's coming along very nicely. While we're busy with that, as you will see now, what I will show you is Riaan, our painter. He's busy quickly doing a project for a race car, a BMW race car spoiler and a helmet that we're doing for a friend of him for his race car. And I think it looks amazing. The color on it is crazy. So yeah, enjoy, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Please like, subscribe, and share the shit out of it. We appreciate every one of you. We're standing on 106 subscribers now on YouTube, over 3,000, 4,000 followers on TikTok, over, I think it's 20,000 likes on TikTok as well. Facebook is around about almost 2,000 followers as well, so stay tuned. This is some crazy insane projects going on, and it won't stop. We're going to continue on the RS2000 next week when the flatters continue on the Mk1. Our panel beats and everything is going to jump over to the RS2000 project, and we'll get on that as well. Cheers, guys.